Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Anima espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to service the brew unit that is located right here inside the machine. We cleaned other parts as well. We also had to clean the inner spouts of the machine, not only these ones but also the ones underneath this display board. So there's like one and then there's another one over here. We cleaned that too. We also clean a bit the grinder as well and just give it a good descaling and a cleaning cycle. So starting with one espresso, we're going to be testing out this machine. Then we're going to be using the hot water and then the steam. Now the machine is grinding coffee and getting into the brew unit. Once it gets to the brew unit, the motor that is inside this machine is going to push that brew unit into the brew valve that is located right here. Once it gets in there, the water pump will push water from the water tank into the thermal block from here, into the valve over there, into the brew valve, then right next to the brew group, through the brew group, and then through the top spout, and then the lower spout, as you see right there. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Really, really great color as well. Working excellent. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. The machine will have to pull the water from the water tank into the thermal block, and instead of going to the brew valve, it's going to go to the two-way valve located right here, where it's going to shoot water, as you see right there. Nice steady stream coming out of the one. Good pressure. And great temperature as well. And now we're going to be testing the steam function of this machine. It's going to do the exact same thing as the hot water, but now the thermal block is going to get hotter than the hot water temperature, so you can produce steam. As you can see, the thermal block is heating up. Once this reaches all the way to the end, the water pump will start pulsing, and it will shoot a little bit of water through the thermal block to the two-way valve, and then out of the steamer one. As you can see, excellent pressure coming out of the steamer one. Working great. Working the way it's supposed to. Good steam coming out of the one. Excellent pressure. Working great. So there you have it, Gaggia Anima Prestige working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.